Good evening everyone, I'm Art Durgesh from Ultimate Class Asta. Today I want to speak about myself. Why I'm telling to you that I'm gonna to speak about myself? Because nowadays I'm feeling thirsty, I'm feeling hungry. I'm thinking that I have no any chance to do something different in my life. I'm thinking that I'm not who person those were the days that he used to think about himself. He was a dedicated person. He used to do work hard with consistency, and he had tremendous atmosphere. Whatever he wanted to become in life, he was doing something different in his life. But what is the reason behind it? And I'm not be able to do it. I'm not be able to study properly, and I'm not be able to give my time to on study. I'm not be able to pay attention. What is the reason behind it? Guys, sometimes I think about myself that God has given me body for the purpose that I have to do something different in my life. But now I'm not thinking that what am I thinking about myself, but that now I'm not be able to succeed in my life. Success not matters, it's a matter of progress. What progress have you done in your entire life? What is your purpose in life that you are doing something different? Why are you wasting your time here? Why are you wasting money? And why are you watching reels, Insta, Facebook, all these things? From that day till today, I thought about myself, but definitely I will work hard. Yesterday also I prepared my all this work. I thought that I'll get up in the morning 6 o'clock. After that I work hard. But I'm thinking that no, I'm not a Durgesh Brahm, but who always think about himself. But definitely he will become in his life whatever he want to do. My vision is a big. I will do something different in my life for my parents, for my career, all these things. But just I'm thinking sometimes I'm thinking that no, I'm not be able to succeed in my life because I'm not in the mood of doing something different in my life. Whatever has God given me, all I have to depend all these things. What is the reason behind it that I'm going the dilemma? Sometimes I get down in my health, and I feel jumpy, all these things. I know very well that I have huge time. I have something different to do for our family members. I have not thought about myself, but in coming up time, what will happen to with me? But what is my time here? Why I'm talking about? Because I'm wasting my time daily. I'm wasting my 10 hours, 15 hours. Why? Because I thought about myself that I have to become something different, but I am not giving my time that I have to learn grammar, skills, pronunciation, talking, listening, English video, computer, all these things. What is the reason behind it? But I believe in myself. I trust in myself. But that in coming, I become a good speaker. I will show my persona to people that Guru Gesh Brahmat used to say about him. But he is wasting time. I'm thinking about myself. With the help of my parents, I am here. Because of my family members, I have worked hard, and due to lack of money and time, I didn't used to study that time. But now I'm studying. I'm doing something different. What is the reason that I'm not be able to follow my all these rules? I will have to do work for consistency. With consistency, I will have to be a honest person on my work. I have to be a pay attention. I want to say to guys that if we have to do something different in life, we will have to think ahead, because Swami Vivekananda said that think big, think ahead, because nobody has monopoly to your rights. Also, Nelson Mandela said that education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. But I'm not be able to change myself. Also, I am depending on my parents, on my brothers, on my family members. I'm not be able to give time myself. What is the reason behind it? I thought that from tomorrow onwards I will study, but I forget. I thought that from today's I will study, but I forget. I thought that therefore yesterday I will do work, but I couldn't do. What is the reason behind? I'm thinking that God is taking my exam, but in a condition I will have to get through the exam, because if I do something different, I will have to get over all these problems. But if I'm chasing problems and I'm running after the problems, then in coming of time I will not be able to a person who thought about himself that he will become a something different for other people. I want to be an example for other people who learn about me, to think about me, that he person, that he learns amazing things. He belongs a very nuclear family member from the very small teeny tiny village, and then he came to our standard. He worked hard. I have 2 years. Within 2 years I have to show my persona, and I have to tell about people my journey. From onwards, I want to say to you that do something different that the world wants to do. I'm Durgesh from Ultimate Class Asta.